It's Scentsy Whiff Box time, so if you want to see what is in September box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me because we just opened up a bark mystery box, and Chloe's just doing Chloe things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the Scentsy Whiff Box is $35 a month, and you're going to get a variety of Scentsy products, including their bricks. You might get a mini warmer or a small warmer. You might get their flowers. You might get their laundry supplies. Who knows what you're going to get? Every month is a surprise. This month it says Autumn on My Mind. So it looks like we're going to have some autumn themed products. Here is a little sneak peek. We have the Johnny Appleseed wipes. These are really nice. They smell so good. We're actually using them in the bathroom right now, and they smell like fresh apples. Really nice scents. We have 2 bricks. One of them is Golden Sunflower Fields. Ooh, that's nice, clean too. And the other one is Have Some More Pumpkin, like a s'more. I can already smell this. I'm already in love. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love pumpkin. Love this. I bet you could even mix these 2 scents together. I'm big on like mixing things if they're going to go together to kind of change the scent a little bit. Yeah, I think you could. I think you could mix these and have a really unique fragrance that nice. We have the Scentsy pods. So they have these little, they all different sizes, but I have like the little ones, and there's a fan in them, and you just plug it in, and then it just blows that and this pumpkin roll. Oh, so good. There is an autumn road trip scent pack. I love these. You can even just put these right in your car, but you can also put them like in different drawers. And we have one of their fragrance flowers. So this is in the Golden Sunflower Field. And so this is the oil. And then you're going to take this cap off. You're going to put this on so it's decorative. So there is the wick that goes into the oil. And this will actually change colors. There's your flower. This is probably going to turn that lovely orangey golden shade, would be my guess. The one we have right now actually didn't change colors, but usually it will change colors. It just depends upon the scent. This particular scent, I guess, didn't have a color change effect, but the last one we had was purple, turned purple. And sometimes they do include a little catalog, so it'll show you like some of their items for the fall. This is, this is their fall winter. So it has all their little pot or burners, and then some diffusers, all of their seasonal scents. And this right here is what I'm talking about. Those little pods go into that blows the air. So they also, I guess now we're doing candles. There's none in here, so I don't know anything about that. And I have tons of candles, but I like the wax melts because it, first of all, it burns clean. Like it melts, so it doesn't burn. So you're not getting any of that actual burn stuff. And they're also more pet friendly. So, if your pet knocks it over, you're not going to have a fire. All right. Well, that's all I have for now. Wonderful, great, spot on for the fall. Love the scents. So let me know your thoughts. Do you love pumpkin? I love pumpkin. So if you love pumpkin too, you would probably like this box. I don't even know who I get this from. I used to get it from my friend Stacy, but she no longer does it. So reverted back to the people that kind of got her involved. The Ryans, I think their name are. But if you just go online, you can just find any Scentsy dealer unless you know somebody. All right, Bandit's having a treat emergency, so I need to help him out. He's throwing his little chew stick all over the place. And then it's He's having a hard time picking it back up. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.